What is up, yo guys? It's me, your Kakamboy Zuri. And welcome to our YouTube channel. Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin in this vlog is tungkol sa kasuotan ng mga regabing. So, samahan niyo ako as I learn and as I delve into the culture of Benguet. Tara!
Ibaloy men wear the kubal with unknown upper garment except for the blanket worn generally according to climatic conditions. They were limited to only one kubal and even use it for days. Women wear the divit with samba or sade and kambal as their upper garment. The divit during the olden times were not only used for occasions, they were also used in ordinary days when they go to the kainin, rice fields, or marketplaces to trade for salt and other necessities. The traditional attires of Benguet are more than just the clothing. They are a living story of identity, culture, and pride that continue to inspire and connect generations. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more cultural journeys. And of course, I'll see you in the next vlog.